My brother likes to impossibly wrap my gift every year. So he decided to cement it this year.
Mele-Kalikimaka is a thing to
First
say
came the saw,
on a bright Hawaiian Christmas day.
then the chisel,
It's the island greeting that we send to you from the land
and then the
where
sledgehammer.
palm trees sway. Here we know that Christmas will be green and bright, the sun to shine by day and all the stars at night.
Then I finally got it.
Mele-Kalikimaka is a wise way to say Merry Christmas to you.